Hey, what's up? Russell Warnhoff here with Screen Innovations, and today we're going to dive into our Veil Drapery track. Let's check it out. All right, so first things first. Open up your Veil Drapery track. You want to make sure you got all the right hardware. You should have received everything based on how you ordered it in Flow. You're going to need your power drill and bit, a tape measure, a level, and a Phillips head screwdriver. Pretty simple. But let's check it out. So on this install, we've already installed the brackets. These are on-wall brackets. We've already taken our spring-loaded clip system that actually holds the track, and we've installed it appropriately so the spring mechanism is facing away from the wall. So we've made sure all the brackets are level and that they're plumb and evenly spaced out apart from each other. So one other thing to account for is the height of the actual drapery itself. So we've actually accounted for that. We've done the measurements from the floor to how high the drapes are going to hang, and we've installed the brackets at that designated height. So we've got our drapery track system. We've got the brackets mounted on the wall. We've already checked for their levelness and plumb. The next step is to install the track itself. So we're gonna go ahead and hang this. This is gonna require probably 2 people depending on the length of the track that you ordered. You'll specify that length in your Flow software tool when you're ordering the Veil system. We have a close-up here on the track itself. I just kind of want to point out the different features. This is your carrier arm that actually is gonna pull the drapery. And then the drapery itself, this particular track was ordered with pinch pleat. So those will have these hooks that will attach into these little carriers. And then this arm is gonna pull the entire system open and closed. So this is what's gonna control it. I've already got one side of the track secured on there, but I wanna show you how easy it is to secure it into these little spring-loaded clips, right? See how that pushes in on the front side right there? We wanna make sure that we've got our track aligned where we wanna place it. And we're gonna come with the back side of the track, slide it up over the springs, and lock it into place. We're gonna do the same now going across for each bracket. So this particular motor is an Arismo 35, it's RTS. We've already programmed it with the remote, so I won't show you those steps. If you have some questions on programming RTS shades or our drapery track systems, refer to Tom's tips, the videos inside your support portal, or you can contact support. So remember that little piece? This is gonna attach to the back side of the track system. So we're gonna find there's actually little indents where you can secure that. So make sure you have this little piece because again, it's gonna hold the fabric around the motor so you're not gonna see the motor. Now we're gonna attach the motor to the track. It's pretty simple. It's got the secure locking mechanism, which slides back and forth, which locks it in place, this little plastic piece. So I'm gonna go ahead and attach the motor. And I'm gonna lock it in place now by securing that little plastic tab. Once that's done, the motor's connected. So we've got the motor secure. The next step is gonna be connecting the power. Here's the cool part with Screen Innovations. We actually give you 3 options of power. I mentioned before, this is the Arismo 35, that's low voltage. So it's gonna plug into just your standard outlet. We also have the Glidea version of the motor, which is AC powered, or for those retrofit applications, which is really, really cool, we've got a battery option. And that works similar to our battery shades. So you don't have to worry about running power, getting an electrician in. You can still install a Veil system with no power at all. So let's go ahead and plug this in. So I've got the track secure, I've got the motor attached. I'm gonna go ahead and connect it for power, and now we're gonna test the track. So we've got our track programmed. Now we're just gonna test operation and functionality to make sure the carrier arm is moving properly. One really cool part about our shades and our Veil system is the soft stop and start feature. So as the track begins in motion, it's gonna have a nice soft start to it. And as it gets to the end of the traversal, you'll actually see the track slow down a little bit and it'll give you a nice stop, a nice finish. So this next step is pretty simple. Now we're just gonna attach the fabric to the track system itself with the carrier arms that we chose. This particular one I mentioned before was pinch pleat. We have 2 other options that are available that you can order in Flow. The other option is ripple fold and accordion. Pinch pleat and ripple fold are gonna be your 2 most common drapery choices. So you can see these little hooks. These hooks are gonna attach into these little carrier arms. The first one I wanna attach though is the one behind the motor that I showed you guys earlier, that little plastic piece. This is gonna cover the motor so you actually don't see it as we start attaching the fabrics. But you can see it's pretty self-explanatory. We just take the hooks and we drop it through each loop on each carrier arm. So we've got our drapes attached. I think they look pretty awesome. One of the things I want to point out with this particular install is we are going to be building a valance for it. So normally with the pinch pleat or with any shades, those would typically go above the track. Not necessary in this case because it's going to be covered with the valance anyway, so you're not going to see the track itself. The other thing to note is we supply the track system. So in terms of functionality and control, SI's got you covered. The drapes themselves, you're going to have to supply through either a workroom, a local interior designer, or your homeowner. So real quick, I just want to cover the 3 options of control for your Veil system. I mentioned the one that we just hooked up as an RTS version. We also have an RS485 for your third-party integration wired control, and of course our most popular track system right now, which is our Zigbee 3.0. So hopefully we've just shown you how to put together your Veil system, and you've seen how easy it can be from start to finish, from ordering your track system in Flow to installing the track system itself. For more questions, visit screeninnovations.com, or you can contact our design services and they'll be happy to help you with your next Veil project. Thanks.